Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoho CRM for configuring quote approvals, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Zoho CRM. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Zoho CRM login page. Locate the email address field. Enter your registered email address. Next, find the password field below. Enter your password in the designated space. Review your information for accuracy. Now, click on the Login button. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Zoho CRM dashboard. In the top navigation menu, look for the Settings option. Click on Settings to access the configuration area. Within the Settings menu, find Automation. Hover over or click on Automation to reveal additional options. Locate and select Approval Processes. You will now see a list of existing approval processes. To create a new quote approval process, look for the Create button. Click the Create button to begin the setup. Fill in the necessary details for your quote approval process. Include a name and description that clearly defines the process. Set the criteria for approval that suits your organization's needs. Define the approvers who will be responsible for this process. Once you have configured all options, review the settings. Click on the Save button to store your settings. Your quote approval process is now configured and active. You can return to the dashboard at any time. Feel free to test the new approval process with a sample quote. This will ensure everything is functioning as expected. You have successfully logged into Zoho CRM and configured quote approvals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.